In the heart of Sydney's glittering harbor, where the ocean's breath meets steel and stone, stands a building that doesn't just sit on the land, it sings with it. The Sydney Opera House is more than an icon. It's a sculpture of sound, light, and vision. A monument born from imagination and hardened by controversy. This is a story of a nation ready to define itself, of an unknown architect whose dreams defied convention, and of a building that became the soul of modern Australia. Our journey begins in the 1950s, a time when Australia was still searching for a cultural identity. Sydney's leaders envisioned a performing arts center that would place the city on the world stage. An international design competition was launched in 1956, and among 233 submissions from 32 countries came a sketch, just a few fluid lines from a Danish architect named Bjørn Utzon. His design was radical, poetic, unlike anything seen before, and at first, it was almost rejected. But vision prevailed. The judges saw genius in the curves, reminiscent of sails, waves, or shells, scattered across the coast. And so, the dream was set into motion. Yet dreams are rarely easy to build. From the very beginning, Utzon faced the impossible. No one had ever attempted a roof structure like his. Soaring, interlocking shells of concrete, balanced delicately like origami made of stone. Engineers scratched their heads. Politicians grew impatient. And costs, initially estimated at $7 million, began to balloon into the tens of millions. As construction crawled forward, Sydney watched in awe and confusion. Some called it madness, others brilliance. For Utzon, it was obsession, chasing perfection through uncharted territory. He collaborated with groundbreaking engineers, used computers for structural modeling decades before it became standard practice, and then it all came crashing down. Get ready to get wet as you ride right into the heart of the mist near Horseshoe Falls. Journey Behind the Falls is another must, taking you through tunnels to stand directly behind the roaring water. For stunning views, try the Niagara Skywheel or even a helicopter tour if you're feeling adventurous. And when the sun goes down, the falls light up with colorful illuminations and spectacular fireworks shows. But Niagara isn't just about waterfalls. The surrounding area has so much to offer. Beautiful parks, scenic trails, wine tours, and even casinos for those feeling lucky. Families can enjoy theme parks and museums, making Niagara Falls a perfect destination for everyone. When's the best time to visit? Summer is the most popular season because of the warm weather and full access to boat tours. But if you want fewer crowds and incredible fall colors, September and October are ideal. And don't overlook winter. The frozen falls look like something out of fairy tale, with sparkling ice formations that are truly magical. You are witnessing the power of human imagination, cast in concrete, floating above the sea. This is the Sydney Opera House, and this is its legacy,